Well, howdy, family. Let me ask you something. If I handed you $20, how would anybody know I actually gave it to you? Somebody's got to keep the records, right? Well, that's exactly what a blockchain does for Bitcoin. Let's break it down. A blockchain is nothing more than a digital record book. That's it. Every time somebody sends or receives Bitcoin, that transaction gets written down. Think of it like an old ranch ledger. Back in the day, every cow bought, every horse sold, every dollar earned got written in the ranch book. The blockchain does the same thing, except it's recording Bitcoin transactions instead of cattle. Now, here's where the name comes from. Every few minutes, new Bitcoin transactions get grouped together. That group of transactions is called a block. Once that block is verified, it gets connected to every block that came before it. Block after block, chain after chain. That's why it's called a blockchain. It's literally a chain made of blocks filled with transaction records. Now here's what makes Bitcoin different. One bank don't own it. One company don't own it. One government don't own it. Millions of computers around the world all keep a copy of the same blockchain. Everybody helps keep the records honest. That's like every ranch in America having the exact same ledger. If somebody tried to cheat, everybody else would know. Let's say somebody tried to erase a Bitcoin transaction. Well, they'd have to change millions of copies of the blockchain all over the world at the exact same time. Good luck with that. That's why Bitcoin is considered one of the most secure financial networks ever created. The records can't just be changed because somebody feels like it. Let's make this real. Imagine I owe my cousin $50. I send him Bitcoin. That payment gets written into a block. That block gets added to the blockchain. Now everybody can verify the payment happened. I can't turn around tomorrow and say, nah, I never sent it. The blockchain already recorded it. Receipts don't lie. Now you might be thinking, okay, Cowboy Cade, that's cool, but why should I care? Because the blockchain is what makes Bitcoin work. Without it, nobody could trust the system. The blockchain keeps everybody honest without needing a middleman. That's a pretty big deal. So let's wrap this thing up. A blockchain is a digital record book made up of blocks. Every block contains Bitcoin transactions. Each block connects to the previous block. Millions of computers keep identical copies, and that makes the records transparent, secure, and extremely difficult to change. Simple. Now, you know what a blockchain is. It's not magic. It ain't complicated. It's just a smarter way of keeping records. In the next lesson, we're going to talk about another word people love to throw around: decentralized. What does it actually mean, and why does it matter? Until next time, keep learning, keep asking questions, and remember, every expert was once a beginner. I'll catch y'all on the next ride.